The Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021 uses high-beam headlights to maximize visibility at night. This introduction covers the basics of high beams. High beams project light 100 to 150 meters ahead, compared to just 40 to 60 meters for low beams. This comparison shows the differences in range, beam angle, and suitability for driving conditions. Here are the beam distances for different light types in the Fabia III. It is important to know how to use high beams properly to avoid blinding other drivers. To manually activate high beams in your Skoda Fabia III, locate the left-hand steering column stalk. Push the stalk away from you, towards the dashboard, to switch from low beam to high beam. A blue indicator light on the dashboard will illuminate to confirm that high beam is now active. To deactivate the high beam, simply push the stalk forward again. To deactivate the manual high beam, simply pull the left-hand steering column stalk back towards you. This returns the headlights to low beam, and the blue indicator light on the dashboard will turn off. Higher trims like Style or Monte Carlo editions may have auto high beam. This system uses a forward-facing camera to detect oncoming vehicles or streetlights. To enable, push the stalk forward and hold for 3 seconds until the indicator flashes. The car will then automatically switch between high and low beams. To quickly flash your high beams, pull the stalk briefly towards you. This is useful for signaling other drivers without fully engaging high beam. Only pull briefly to trigger this feature. Only use high beams on unlit roads without oncoming traffic. Prolonged use can cause driver fatigue or glare-related accidents. Manually override auto modes in adverse conditions like heavy rain or fog, where the sensor may not function correctly. If your high beams aren't activating, start by checking the bulbs and fuses. First, ensure your low beams are working properly. For auto high beam issues, inspect the sensor and clean the windshield area in front of the camera. Begin by checking the high beam bulbs. Your Fabia III may have halogen bulbs originally, but LED upgrades are available for better efficiency. Inspect for damage or poor connections. Next, inspect the fuse box. Look for blown fuses related to the headlights. The fuse box schematic shows numbered slots. Common headlight fuses are in positions 10 to 15. Replace any blown fuses with the correct amperage. Before troubleshooting high beams, confirm that your low beams are working. High beams build on the low beam system, so issues here can affect high beam operation. If the auto high beam feature isn't working, check the forward-facing camera sensor for obstructions. Clean the windshield area thoroughly to ensure the sensor can detect oncoming traffic and lights properly. Consider upgrading your Skoda Fabia III headlights to LED bulbs for enhanced efficiency and brightness. LED technology provides up to 50% energy savings compared to traditional halogen bulbs, while delivering brighter, more focused light for better nighttime visibility. Aftermarket LED kits are readily available and can be retrofitted to replace your original halogen bulbs. These kits maintain compatibility with your Fabia III's electrical system while providing modern lighting performance. However, it's crucial to ensure that any LED bulbs you choose are road legal and comply with safety standards. Look for DOT or ECE-approved products to guarantee they meet regulations and won't cause issues with blinding other drivers. The upgrade significantly improves visibility at night, helping you see farther and more clearly on dark roads. Always have the installation done by a professional to ensure proper fit and function.